Hello, my name is Kaylee Case, and today I'm going to be talking to you all about Quizlet. So Quizlet, it allows you several different methods to study all of your material. It has a website and a mobile app, and it provides organization and easy sharing. So it gives you multiple ways to study. You can just flip through flashcards, you can learn, write, or spell terms. You can also create practice tests, which can have multiple choice, fill in the blank. You can select what type of test you want. And then you can also play games. So there's several different options to games, usually kind of matching ones that are timed. There's a space one. And then here I have a quick screencast of what it's like to click through the app on the iPhone platform. So this is an example of the flashcards, so you can flip through them. You can skip it if you've already learned it. So this is the learn, kind of repeats words that it notices you are getting incorrect, and it will keep bringing them back up until you've mastered them, so until you've gotten them correct several times. This one you can just essentially fill in the answer, or you can do don't know, and it will help you. And again, it all kind of keeps track of what you're getting wrong and what you're getting right, so that it can make sure you're getting the terms that you're missing, obviously. And then this is an example of one of the games. So it's matching and it's time. So then if your friends play, you can actually compare times, and it will keep a scoreboard of everyone's times. Okay. So it's available on different platforms. You can use Quizlet.com on your computer. You can also get it on your iPhone or Android. The picture over on the side shows what it looks like to download in the App Store on iPhones. Both are free, the website and the mobile app, and they're both very user-friendly. They're easy to use. Nothing's too jumbled or crazy. It's really easy. So again, it does have really nice organization on both platforms, and then sharing is also extremely easy. So you can label all your data sets with whatever you need to be able to find it, and they can also make folders so you can easily divide everything up, and then you can search the names and everything. If you want to share your information with anyone else, you can just copy a link and send it to them. Then they have access to the flashcards and everything you've made, and they can also play the games. You can also create classes, so this is nice for teachers. They can add all their students to one class and just have one class set of flashcards instead of each student getting on individually and making their own. And then of course you can also use other people's sets, so you can just get on and search and find whatever other sets people have made that they've made public. So if you're doing even ServSafe that's not school related, or doing bio, or using a generic textbook, you can type it in and look, and you might be able to find other people's Quizlets that they've already made. So in conclusion, it provides you multiple methods of studying. It's available on computer and mobile apps, so two easy to use, nice platforms, and it's also a really convenient way to keep track of all your studying information and everything, and be able to share it even easier. These are my references, and thank you for your time. I hope you all have a great day.